Let's see how to monitor yourself on iPad while recording on iPhone. So simply how to use your iPhone camera right like that and use your iPad as monitor to see yourself. Let's see that. The very first thing you need to do is you need to install the Blackmagic camera on both devices. That's the very first thing. I already installed this on my iPhone. Okay, it's installed. Just open that and give permission to all. We don't need the location. Continue. So in this process, I'm going to use this iPhone as to record myself. So this is a camera. I'm going to use this iPad as a monitor to see my camera footage was right or not. To monitor the video, I'm going to use this iPad. So it act as a monitor and iPhone act as a camera. That's it. Just open the Blackmagic first on your phone. And the important settings you need to do is open this, and here you can set the resolutions, everything. I set it to 4K. Enable this vertical camera video and scroll down. And if you want to record the audio source wireless, you can choose this and scroll down. Then at some point you can see this option, remote camera control. Turn on this, allow, and use this iPhone as. Open this. We are going to use the iPhone camera to record. So select remote camera and you just enter any password. I just type test set back. Now the iPhone name is A, so it's all done. Now on your iPad, you can see these three dots on the left side. Make sure you connect it to the same Wi-Fi. So I forgot to tell you, you need to connect it to same Wi-Fi or same hotspot. I connected to the same Wi-Fi. Just click these three dots and click the bottom option. So here you can see, here you need to turn on your camera. So for me, iPhone 17 is my camera. So I just toggle this on. Here you can see it's iPad, this device. I'm going to use this iPhone as camera. So turn on iPhone 17 and enter the passcode we created, which is test connect. So it's connected. You can see, you can clearly see what it's going there. My iPhone is act as camera and I can monitor myself or my video on the iPad screen. You don't need to go to your camera and do the stuff. You can control everything on your iPad. To record this, just tap record. Here you can see it's automatically starts recording. If you want to control some features, here I can control that. So it's completely remote. Let's say if you want to switch the camera, you need to click the lens and you can see the lenses are changing. If you want the front camera, you need to click front or wide. After you record all those things, if you want to stop, you can either click this or this. But we don't necessarily need to click the stop button on iPhone. You can use this on iPad as well. Just stop. That's it. So it is the main thing. The video footage will only saved on the iPhone, which is camera, not on the monitor iPad. So I show you the thing. Once I close the app, here you can see it's disconnected. So let's see. I just open Photos app. Here you can see that. Let's say if you want to switch to click the stop button on iPhone, you can use this. It's a 4K video. So this is the thing. This is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about screen mirroring, you need to watch this playlist.